Hey everybody, I'm back and I'm doing a Skylanders update, which I haven't done in a long time or any videos on it, but around October there's gonna be a special. It's gonna be the Skylanders month, so there's gonna be lots of new Skylander videos. But I just wanted to show you Quick Draw Rattle Shake. I found him at GameStop. He was already open because I just opened him like yesterday. See? Open. It's the same on the wheel. Background's different. And he glows up in the game. Not much really different. But he does glow in the dark. Oops. Okay. You can't really see him. Zoom out. Am I zooming out? Oh gosh, I'm zooming in. Sorry everybody. I haven't used the camera in a while. Now let's open them. There. And now he's out. There he is. He's literally hitting the camera. I'll show you him glowing in the dark in just a minute. But there's one cool thing about him. And I found out why he glows in the dark. Because look at that skull. It glows in the dark too. And his skin is made of the skull. See? Skull skin. I should really just name him Skull Rattle. That wouldn't really make much sense, but it's better than Quick Draw. I don't even know where they came up with that. But yeah, he's kind of blue because he's from winter. And he's from Frito-Lay, so not many people want him. Now let's see him in the dark. Let me just hold on. Pitch black for just a touch.